Aboriginal TV, Channel 4. Putting Aboriginal news first.
St John Ambulance has announced the installation of 1,000 new Automated External Defibrillators, AEDs, placed around the Northern Territory over the next 3 years. The recent launch of the Public Access Defibrillator program was unveiled at NT Parliament House by St John Ambulance CEO Judith Barker.
International programs have proven that if a defibrillator is within 3 minutes of a patient, their chance of survival can be up to 70%. This is why we want defibrillators across the Territory to give everyone in the Northern Territory a chance to survive. So for every minute that you delay CPR or application of an AED, survival decreases by 10%. But if you apply an AED and you start CPR within the first minute, survival increases by 90%. The focus for St John and St John across Australia is on the chain of survival. The chain of survival is immediate recognition of cardiac arrest. And again, if you dial 000, our fantastic dispatchers can help you figure out what you need to do and whether the person's in cardiac arrest.
The project has been funded through support from Territory grants, with 9 defibrillators being delivered to Daly River, Lajamanu, Uralin, Timber Creek, Victoria River Roadhouse and Kalkarinji. Additional automated external defibrillators are being installed by St John Ambulance across the NT at sports clubs, swimming pools, shopping centres and remote Aboriginal communities including Tiwi Islands and Katherine regions.
30,000 people a year in Australia will suffer a sudden cardiac arrest, and of those 90% will pass away due to lack of treatment. They're a very simple unit to use. You open the cover and it will then talk you through the steps you need to take. If you have a sudden cardiac arrest and there's no one there to provide CPR or there's no defib to administer a shock, then you've got 8 to 10 minutes and you pass away. So it's the first line of defence.
All the automated external defibrillator units are registered on the 000 database. When an emergency call to 000 for a heart attack has been placed, the dispatcher will inform the caller the location of the closest defibrillator and how to access the life-saving unit. The St John Ambulance installation for access by the public to defibrillators is saving lives. Dial 000 and you can now be directed to a St John defibrillator near you.
Aboriginal TV, Channel 4. Putting Aboriginal news first.